with Create Odyssey. Please forgive my fingernails. They look terrible. I have like hot Cheeto stuff still stained on my fingers, even though I wash my hands. You know how that stuff is like glue. Anyway, so if my fingers look a little red, that's why. So let's just jump right into it. I made these mini little books inspired by like Maggie Holmes. Is what I use, like the paper. And so I use like grid paper on some of them. This one you see I use like book pages, and then this one I use book pages, and I like drew on some of the pages and circled stuff just for fun. These little books make super cute embellishments for flip books or memory decks cards, whatever you guys want to use them for. I absolutely love making them. They're super simple and it helps you use up a lot of your scraps. So let's get to it. Let's just jump right on in. So those are my examples. Now, so if you want to make like a longer or taller book like this, I'll give you the dimensions for it. And then if you want more of like a square, smaller book, I'll show you how to make this one as well. Okay, so I just grabbed some scraps, so I'll show you. This is some scrap paper and this one, and then this one and this one. I just did them real quick, just so I would know the dimensions. So just grab some scrap paper. So I have some right here. You're just gonna need for this project, you're gonna need a stapler. And then you're going to need scissors or a scoreboard. I like to, or I forget what this thing's called, a trimmer. So yeah, okay. I'm going to push these to the side. So for the longer book, for the outside cover, let me just remember, it is like 3.5 for the length, and the width is 2.5. So I'm just gonna take your scrap paper and go to 3.5. And these don't have to be perfect because you really can make the book however you want, really, the dimensions. I just like the way these sizes look. And then what I say, 2.5? I think that's what I said, 3.5, 2.5. We'll see. I'll cut it up and see. And then you just need to fold it. Yeah, this is right. Then you just fold it like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. So there's your cover. That's simple. So you have the cover. And then now we just need to make the inside pages with, it is, let's do this again. The inside is 3 inches and the width is 2 1/4. 3. And then 2 1/4. There we go. See, there's your little book pages. And you can make as many of these inserts as you want to go in here. You can even make little pockets in here or on the outside if you wanted to, just like you would a regular flip book. And so then I'll show you guys how to make this little one, the little square one. It's more fat. This one is 3.5. So just take some scrap paper. I have this. So I'm going to go 3.5. And this is for the cover, for the square little booklet. And then the width is, I think it's supposed to be 2 1/4 as well. I think that one's a little bit off. All right, then you just fold that over. All right, awesome. See what I did there? It's supposed to be 2. So just take it to the 2, trim it some more. There we go. So the dimensions for this is, sorry guys, it's 3.5 by 2. So that makes it square like this. And then for the inside insert for this one, it is 3 by 1 3/4. So 3, and then you cut it 1 3/4, and then you just stick it right in there, like so. So yeah, I kind of ended the video. Well, it sounded like it, and I forgot to tell you how easy it is to attach these. All you need is your stapler. Then you're just gonna take it and just go above your line a little bit, so that when it staples, it'll go right down the middle. So, see, then I'll show a little bit on the side, but it doesn't really matter. And there's your little book. Simple as that. You do the same thing for the small ones. You just, see this one? This is what you don't want to do. You don't want to go under the line. You don't want to act like you're on the line, because you'll go below it. You want to go a little bit above the line, and it will actually end up on the line, like the one I showed you in this one. So yeah, that's all. And if you make a mistake, it's simple. Take this out, you guys, and redo it. That's it. Not a biggie. Especially if you're using them for embellishments, then it's really not a big deal, because if you staple more on the back side, it's going to be glued down anyway. I would show you an example, but I just packaged it up for one of my swap partners. So yeah. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.